Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making your device behave like it's in China. Update iOS, reboot, and set region to China mainland. Once done, turn on location services and allow maps to use your precise location. Make sure you have cellular data or local Wi-Fi. A Chinese SIM improves accuracy. You don't need third-party apps. This initial configuration forces Apple Maps to load China mapping data and permissions, which is the single required step before you actually search, pin, or navigate. Open Apple Maps and type addresses in Chinese or Pinyin for the cleanest results. Once done, tap a result and pin it. From the pin, select directions and pick drive, transit, or walking. China region returns local transit options. Preview the full route while connected so map tiles cache for the trip. Make sure to add key stops as favorites and adjust route options if tolls or highways matter. This sequence ensures Maps uses China datasets and keeps guidance accurate en route. When you're ready, tap Start to begin navigation and keep cellular or local Wi-Fi on. That maintains live routing. Make sure Maps can run in background and calibrate your compass by moving the phone in a figure 8, because positioning differs in China. If turn-by-turn or search fails, first disable any VPN, toggle region back to China mainland, and restart the phone, then reopen Maps. That single troubleshooting step usually forces the correct China mapping provider to reload and resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.